Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and keeping it awake so nothing times out mid-change. Open Settings and go directly to Developer Options or System Developer Options. If you don't see it, go to About Phone and tap Build number 7 times to enable it. Once done, return to Settings and open Developer Options. Make sure you don't have any cables or active ADB sessions connected while you prepare to turn USB debugging off to avoid confusion. Now locate the USB debugging toggle inside Developer Options and tap it to switch it off. A confirmation dialog usually appears, so confirm by selecting Turn Off or OK. While you're here, review related settings like USB configuration or ADB permissions to ensure no background access remains. If your phone asks about trusted computers, revoke authorizations if you want extra security. Make sure the toggle shows disabled, but finish by rebooting the phone so the change is fully applied. This also clears any lingering ADB sessions. After reboot, connect to a PC. Your device should not present an ADB authorization prompt or allow debugging. If USB debugging still appears active, go back into Developer Options, use Revoke USB debugging authorizations, toggle debugging off again, then reboot. If issues persist, check for device management apps or manufacturer settings that might override developer options and disable those before repeating these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.